For the last 1 year, I have found a basic or strategies to learn English that can boost your English to the next level. And that strategy is about learning pronunciation and vocabulary.
Hello guys, this is Roti and glad to be back. So this is another video that we're going to be talking about basically that would be the fundamental of improving our understanding in English. How to boost our speaking English to the next level. And how many primary things that we should work on. So basically we do have Venerable right here. He's going to be part of our conversations today. That's going to be awesome to have you right here. So before we begin, I think you may have a lot of ideas to share with me and also with all of us on the camera. They are watching us right now. But before we begin, we would like to have the short introduction. All right. So from me first, my name is Roti. Once again, I think many of you guys probably have known me. Yeah, sure. So quite short. So let's get to know from my Venerable. Yeah, please. My high respects to you and to all of you guys as well.
Hello everyone. My name is Seyha, and today is such a great day that I have a chance to make a conversation with as my teacher, I can say that. And I am from Conversational province, and currently I'm a student from Seyha University.
Thank you so much, Venerable, for giving short introduction before we move to our topics today. But again, the topic is that the fundamental things that we should understand or should know more to boost our English speaking skill. So I would like to know from you, in your opinion, so what do you think for fundamental development in English, like the great energies to boost our speaking English to the next level? How many others, basically, from your perspective?
Well, based on my true experiences that I've been learning English for almost 4 years. And I know that for a beginner, they are just started learning English. There are a lot of things or circumstances that they are facing right now for a beginner. And recently or for the last 1 year, I have found a basic or strategies to learn English that can boost your English to the next level. And that strategy is about learning pronunciation and vocabulary. Well, pronunciation is the things that you can make your voice clearly when you speak to the people. From my true experiences that I have been through, I am taking class of IPA. I can say that my pronunciation or my speaking was very bad.
Before?
Yeah, before.
But right now it's getting better.
Yeah, when I make a short conversation or make a discussion with someone and they can listen to me and they give me a feedback that I am speaking with a clear voice than before. If I haven't learned IPA class, I couldn't speak English better and better. And the next point that I want you guys to know is about learning vocabulary. The second one that you can learn vocabulary by learning a phrase. For example, like you can learn a word like social and you combine it to the social media, social security, social development. And all of this can make your English or can make your vocabulary more effectively by combining it to the phrase. So this is the ways that I learn vocabulary by myself by using these strategies. So yeah, that should be all for me. And I want to give a microphone back to Mr. T. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Venerable, for giving your personal experiences of learning vocabulary. Basically, the way you use, I would think, might be beneficial to all English learners. But I'm very interested in the way you mentioned earlier. Is that try to make one word to many phrases. Yeah, just like social. That we can. Social is an adjective, basically. So when we try to make it as the phrase, that could be coming to connect with the noun. So that should be social development, social connection, social interaction, social security, social media, something like that. So I think this is the best way to extend our thought. More than one word. And this is like you will have big benefits to learn the vocabulary. Many students, they may learn single word. Like you mentioned before, your previous study. But now you change. To the like another strategy to do it. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. This is just a really short video, and hopefully you guys will enjoy watching this video from the beginning until the end. And hopefully see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.